Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Alura, Marmalead, and Everbee. Alura, Marmalead, and Everbee are tools designed to help Etsy sellers improve their shops. Alura provides a full suite of tools for product research, SEO, and shop management, excellent for Etsy sellers. It's ideal for those looking to manage and grow their entire shop. Its free plan starts at $0, the growth plan for $9.99 per month, and the professional plan for $29.99 per month. On the other hand, Marmalead specializes in keyword research and SEO to help improve your shop's search ranking. It's perfect for sellers focused on optimizing visibility and reaching a wider audience. Meanwhile, Everbee offers product research tools and insights into market trends, helping Etsy sellers stay competitive, especially useful for identifying pricing strategies and trending products. It offers a hobby plan at $0, the growth plan annual for $19.99 per month, and a business plan annual for $69 per month. In my opinion, Alura is great for an all-in-one solution. Marmalead excels in SEO, and Everbee is best for pricing and trend insights. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys have value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.